Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Python with Danu. In last classes we were discussed about numeric data types, collection of data types. So till tuple we were discussed. So in this actually we completed a list data type. I forgot to tell you operations in list. Here we have concatenation, repetition, membership, slicing. Concatenation is nothing but a adding of two lists. Repetition is nothing but a repetition of list. Membership is nothing but it will tell us whether the particular thing, whether the required element is present in the given list or not. If it is present, it will return to true, or else it will return false. In membership we have in, not in functions we will use here. So let's see. Let me consider L1 list, L2 list, print L1 plus L2 in the sense concatenation of two lists. See here we got the adding of two lists 496,597. This is what concatenation of list. Multiplying two list, that is repetition. So here I have given a list which is consist of Dana, Avish, Company, Adya. Here I mentioned Dana in list 1. It is true. That means, and in, not in functions comes to membership operator. See here I haven't given. See here I got false. See here I used not in Dana, not in list 1. So I got false because Dana is presented in list 1. That is what I said. Membership operator nothing but it tells whether the particular thing is presented in list or not. If it is present, we get output as true. If not, we get output as false. That is what we seen. And let's discuss slicing operator by hand note. So see, slicing is represented by the start index colon end index colon jump index. Start, end, jump. So let me consider one list. See, this is my list. So okay, so I want to print from the start to end of the index. So that time so we have to give normal colon. So no need of mention. By default it will take start index and index as 0th and index is end of the list. So it will give the as it is output. So as it is output it will give. మెయిన్గా ఏంటనంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ కావాలండి. సో స్లైసింగ్ దగ్గర అంత అంత కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వనవసరం లేదు. డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్. సో నెక్స్ట్, సో ఐ వాంట్ టు స్టార్ట్ మై ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 2 and I want to end my list is at 4th index. See here what we will get output 0th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. These are the index values and these are the values of corresponding index values. So see here what I mentioned is from the second index. So what we have 3 number and end of the index is 4. So till here end of the jump index I haven't any index number here. So by default it will take 1. See 3, 4, 4th index we have 5. So it will print this list. So this time we will discuss as well as jump. So this time we have the list here and jump by 2 indexes. So this time we will get 3, 5. So move to dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but a collection of ordered key value pairs. See here I mentioned one dictionary with keys 1 2 and with values of Dana and Adya. Here dictionary through get method we will get key value. See here, I'll give a first key. I got the answer, the value of first key Danu. Next I have given separate list for keys and values. So here we will make a dictionary with these keys and values. In Python we have a zip method. Through zip method we will combine both keys and values, and we have a data type in dictionary. So by using dictionary data type we will convert these keys and values to dictionary method. See here. And one more thing we have to know about dictionaries. Keys are immutable. So once you created a key, you can't change the key. But in values in dictionary, these are the mutable. Values are mutable. We can change, we can manipulate value. Here I am changing Danu to AA. So let's see whether it is changed or not. See here. Yes, in the place of Danu, we got we override the value Danu to AA. We got the answer. So that, see guys, till it we were discussed about strings, numeric data types, and collection of data types, which are list, tuple, set. So and we also discussed operations in list. Those are concatenation, membership, means in not in functions, and slicing we were discussed, and one more repetition. So these are we discussed. So what is string? Strings are immutable. Strings are immutable, that we can't change, we can't manipulate. So once you created. So list is collection of ordered elements, and these are the mutable, that we can change once you created. We can manipulate string values after creation of list. And next, tuple. Small difference between the tuple and list is immutable. Everything is same. List, tuple is everything same. Lists are represented by square brackets and tuples are represented by the round brackets. These are immutable, that we can't change once you created. So that is the difference, nothing else. And when it comes to set is collection of an unordered elements, and these are the mutable. But the thing is here, it won't allow duplicates, as we already discussed about this. So practically we discussed, theoretically I am informing you. So set, this is all about set. And next, so if you give duplicates values, it will remove the duplicates and give you the original list. So set is all about this. And when you come with frozen set is nothing but small difference. Set is mutable, frozen set is immutable. That's it. We can manipulate, we can change, we can do any manipulations once we created a frozen set. So that's it, nothing else. And and the left data type is dictionary. In dictionary is a collection of ordered elements, collection of ordered elements in the form of key value pairs. Key value pairs. In dictionary, keys are immutable and it won't allow duplicates. Won't allow duplicate keys. And values are mutable, that we can do any manipulation after creation of value to the key, but we can't change the key. We can change the value of key. Okay, so that is the difference. And the dictionary is represented by the curly brackets. So that's it.